Join me as I challenge myself to find the best apps to stay organized for life, and see if I can actually stick to a system that works. Staying organized is a crucial part of our daily lives, and it's no secret that using apps can make a huge difference in maintaining that organization. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and lose track of our tasks, schedules, and goals. When it comes to staying organized, many of us struggle with clutter, whether it's physical or digital. We've all been there, surrounded by sticky notes, piles of papers, and a never-ending stream of reminders on our phones. It's overwhelming, and it's hard to know where to start. Often, we find ourselves pushing tasks to the last minute, leading to missed deadlines and a perpetual sense of being behind. Another common challenge people face is feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of tasks they need to accomplish. It's easy to get bogged down in the details and lose sight of the bigger picture. This can lead to procrastination, which only exacerbates the problem. And let's not forget about the stress and anxiety that comes with feeling disorganized. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. So, how do we break free from this cycle of disorganization and find a system that actually works for us? That's what we're going to explore in this video. In my search for the ultimate organization system, I've discovered some amazing apps that have revolutionized the way I manage my tasks, schedules, and notes. One of my top picks is Todoist, an incredible task management tool that allows me to prioritize and organize my tasks with ease. Another favorite of mine is Evernote, a powerful note-taking app that helps me keep track of my ideas, research, and meetings. One app that has completely transformed my organization system is Trello, a visual project management tool that lets me see my tasks and projects in a clear and concise way. I've fallen in love with its Kanban-style boards and customizable lists. It's been a game changer for keeping me on track. Another standout app is Rescue Time, a time management tool that helps me stay focused and avoid distractions. But out of all the apps I've tried, there's one that really stands out to me as a game changer. That app is Habitica, a habit tracking app that gamifies your tasks and to-do lists. I love how it rewards me for completing tasks and habits, making it feel like a fun challenge rather than a chore. It's been instrumental in helping me build consistent habits and stay on track with my goals.